So we're here in Halden in Norway to check out my cabin. Let's have a look. That's my cabin. It's small, but it works. Off-grid, of course. Oh, of course, you don't have to go off-grid. But I like it. Small tour. Walking around the cabin, we can see my water collection system. It's not really hooked up right now because it's winter. Things freeze and stuff, right? So well, the idea is rain goes there through the gutters down to my barrel, and I collect water. Okay, so outside my cabin I got my chimney, of course. Go around, you can see a solar panel, which I'm gonna change because it's broken. Yeah, and a door and window. Let's go inside. So it's pretty much always under construction, this cabin. So anyways, that's what it looks like. Yeah.